everyone and welcome back. This video is going to be all about those really satisfying clips you see on Instagram. So I'm gonna test a few of them. I'm also going to give each trend a rating based on the overall impression. Also, I have tried adding ASMR in some of the past, so I hope you enjoyed that. So the first trend right here is adding clay to slime. As you already saw, I'm using Play-Doh. Okay, so at first I was not expecting that the clay would melt my slime, but later on I fixed it by adding activator. The slime at first was very rubbery, it ripped off very easily, but I continued to play with it for some time and oh my gosh guys, the texture of the slime came out to be so unique, smooth and stretchy. The slime was having so much of the buttery texture, I was so happy I was playing with it for so long, basically I didn't want to stop playing with it. I then wanted to try it with clear slime. I was so curious to see this one. I picked up my color and was all good to go. This too ended up being very messy just like the previous one, but again I fixed it by adding activator. I was in love with the slimes. I want you guys to feel this. Oh my gosh, the texture was so beautiful, so smooth, so buttery, so stretchy. I just don't want to stop saying good things about this good slime. Moving on, we have floral foam crushing. This is very easy to set up. You'd simply need to wet a piece of floral foam and then sprinkle glitter of your choice all over it. Then crush it over a bowl of water to create some great ASMR. DIY is safe and easy to do, however, it does require a lot of cleaning up. You shouldn't rinse glitter down the sink, so you have to filter out all the pieces using a sieve. And for this reason, I'm going to give Floral foam a medium rating because even though this trend is super satisfying to make, but trying to clean up wet glitter is so tedious that it takes away some of the fun. Next we have is oblong slime. In this we have two main ingredients and these are cornstarch and water. First you need to add some cornstarch and then as you can see me I'm adding paint to the water just so it will change the color of the cornstarch. And when it's done you just need to add a little bit of water and as you can make out it's getting so difficult to mix both the ingredients. I then added more of the water just so the cornstarch gets dissolved in water, and when it's done, just add more of the cornstarch and you're good to go. Here's the fun part. If you hit it hard or apply any pressure to it, then it's a solid, but if you don't put any pressure on it, then it becomes a little liquid. Okay, so is it just me who didn't find this satisfying? Because I thought this would come out to be very satisfying and at the end it was just not up to the mark. It was very messy and it took me very long to clean up. Up next we have is slime pressing. The important part here is getting the right consistency of slime. It needs to be soft and stretchy enough so it pulls away easily, but not so much that it gets stuck to your equipment. I totally love this trend. It was undoubtedly very satisfying, but it took very long to clean up the equipment, which is okay. I just can't stop myself from giving this trend 5 stars. Thanks a bunch people for watching this video and I really hope that you enjoyed it.